So we just received the inspection report and request from the buyer. When going through this, we want to remember the big picture. We want to keep our eye on the goal of closing, while at the same time weighing their request with the strength of their offer and the reasonableness, I'm not sure if that's a word, and the validity of the items that they are requesting to be repaired. Items that are precluded are things that are home improvements, meaning they can't ask you to upgrade your gas furnace to a brand new heat pump. Other items that are precluded are items that are grandfathered. Those are things that may be defective by today's standards, but were not when the house was built or when that item was installed in the house. Typical concerns that we'll see are hazard items such as electrical, plumbing issues, leaks, and things that are just simply not working as they should. Think of a dishwasher that's not working. And some of these may come as a complete surprise. Don't worry. There are also gray areas, and this might include something that is functioning but is really at the end of its life and really should have been repaired or replaced previously. Think of a rusty 25-year-old furnace that's working but probably won't make it through the end of the season. We'll go through this together, and I will share my recommendations and my experience to help you go through this. Just know that we will work things through and get across the finish line.